Okay, we're going to see how easy it is to get Adware installed on your computer, just if you are acting like the normal computer user. Now first of all, this is a worst case scenario because this machine is the unpatched version, the RTM, released in 2009 of Windows 7. So you go and fire up IE, and you might want something from CNET. So let's download something. Let's try Driver Boost. Actually no, it doesn't have. Actually, let's have a look at this. These adverts, let's try that. Is my computer slow? Well, yes it is. Yeah, I want that. So somebody might have just seen that and they think, oh, I'm going to install that. So great, while it's installing, let's go and find something else that has the CNET installer. Alright, let's have a look through the installation of this. Oh. Next. I agree. Go for it. Great, so we're installing PC Cleaner Plus. That sounds like it's worthwhile using. Now there's a lot of these adware programs like the Babylon Web Search, PC Optimizer Pro, so we won't run that just yet. So let's go back to CNET's homepage and let's go for Smart Defrag free. What that? No, it doesn't, but we will just try that anyway. It's bound to have adware. But even legitimate programs will try and install stuff that you don't want. Yeah, let's go for it. Install install advanced system care. Yeah, I want that. Downloading is in progress. All right. Alright, what else can we get? Update Windows drivers. Well, that sounds useful. Start my download. 5-star ratings. Wow. Yeah, we always want to make sure everything's up to date. Now, of course, at this point, if you didn't really suspect anything was up, and you didn't know that you just installed Smart Defrag and you just installed the other program that came with it, let's go for the classic. You installed Smart Defrag and you got Advanced System Care 7. Got that the other way around then. So that's 3 programs I've installed, only when we wanted 2. Oh, what's happening now? That's installing. So let's install this. Yeah, just click all of it. Oh my god. it looks terrible because of it being a very, very bad resolution, and the machine is hanging quite badly. I'm just waiting for the Control Alt Delete box to come up. There we go. Launch driver update now, no thank you. Oh, that's interesting. That's something's installed. IO bit uninstaller. Okay, so now we've got that running and that running. So let's go and get something from this website. Let's get we'll leave that for a bit. God, this system is really struggling already. Okay, so back on here. Optimize your Windows 7 in minutes. Oh, we need that. Now this probably sounds stupid, but people do this. Right, let's download that. We need that. Let's run that. Let's install that. Little registry optimizer. We'll install that after. Advanced system care is completely frozen, and it's locked. Oh my god, it's locked the taskbar as well. Okay, so there we go. Close the program. I can't put the Control Alt Delete thing in, because if I click off it, it'll stop the recording. There we go. Fast Clean Pro requires net framework for, yeah, go for that. Now up here, I know why he's, there we go. It's got a level that's telling me how much of the system is being used, which I don't know what installed that. I think it was the Advanced System Care. So let's run that. That'd be useful if this wasn't coming from Adware. CNET download. Ah, here we are. This is what I wanted. So let's click next, next, next. Yeah, we want JOTC. We want my PC backup. Yes, please. So it's downloading now, and install. This program is freeware. If you paid for a copy of this program, get a refund. Well, I didn't. Let's install that. Yep, install all that. We'll do a scan with Malwarebytes at the end to see just how much this Windows 7 machine has taken. Remember, this is the worst case scenario. We're using an RTM build. So now we've got to install .NET framework. That's installing. Let's find some other stuff. And IEs. There we go. This machine is really slowing down. Really slowing down. processor's fine. I've just not allocated much RAM, it's only got a gig. Now you don't realise that you can easily get toolbars and stuff that will give you, that are given to you through downloading what you think is legit. Well, most of the time it can be legitimate, but if it's freeware, remind me later. Let's click some more of these adverts. Let's have some free malware removal tool. I'm not sure whether this is a good one or not, but judging by it's an advert, it's probably not. Oh, it's really slowing down. Oh, we've already got that. Well, let's do. God, it's really lagging. We'll do a simple Google search. What's the? So it's downloading .NET framework. So that this can be installed so that we can update everything. Okay, so let's do PC optimizer software free. Because you may be thinking, oh, computer's slightly slow. Perfect speed PC optimizer, there we go. Now these adverts as well also, why is it closed all the IE? Right, I'll let that carry on installing. Go to my home page. If I restore what was open, it restore about 5 things. It'll take all day. No, oh, that's not good. Okay, I'll leave it a minute. There's no antivirus on this. Let's just have a look and install. Let's just have a look on the control panel. It's really slowing down. It's probably because this is installing. I might pause this and then wait for it to install. We will have all got Adware at one point or another. The one I know of that I've had when I was on Windows Vista, or it might have been 7, it's one of the two, I had was the Babylon web search. So there's 11 programs installed. Now I'm going to pause. Powerful uninstall. I have to try that. I'm going to pause the video while the .NET framework is installing. and then I will start it again when we start downloading more. I just noticed while this was installing, I was watching something else. This popped up, this advert, once per year New Year sale. Well, we've passed New Year. Get the gift now. Alrighty, let's try this. Sync folder, that's new. Let's get the oh, and it's changed my home page as well. Search dot search.conduit.com. Do I want to speed up my PC? Yes, I do. PC Health Boost. Download that, yes please. You know, my PC could be broken as far as I was concerned. 80% off. $23.98. Now, I don't know what that is in pounds, so I couldn't possibly buy it because I don't know how much it'll cost me. That's new. Alright, let's close that there. Let's run PC Health Boost. That's complete. So this little registry restart later. That should try and install now. This is going to install. I will have to restart the machine at some point. Little registry optimizer. PC Health Boost install. Yes. This may take a couple of minutes. Go for it. I'm going to try and install free CUDA video converter. That sounds like it might be useful. Get it from CNET because you know obviously their downloads are the best. Very secure. Oh, let's have rock. Oh, what's it doing? Finish. Let's have Roxio video converter. That could be useful, you never know. And I've heard of something called Mobo Genie. Ah, here we go, something in pounds. 20 quid, forget that. I'm not paying for it. Mobo Genie. We need that. Of course I use Android, who doesn't? That's not saying Android's bad, I just don't use it. Of course we want Mobo Genie. Download now. Run. Run. Open twice there. I've read. They already assume I've read and accepted the policy. Let's change my search. My PC backup. Hell yeah, I want that. No, I'm not signing up. Let's try. Actually, let's try and find some other software we can use after MoboGenius. Wow. Right. Let's quit that. There we go. PC Optimizer free. What's that? Is that something we've got? No, we don't. Let's go. My PC backup. That's what I was looking for. Right, let's get this. We need this. Let's download this. Let's run it. I mean, you know, why wouldn't you want to clean your PC? Right. I agree. Yep, create one. Launch, yeah, why not? Wow, looks professional. Thank you for using PC System Optimizer. Something else is running in the taskbar. Is that Windows Update? Yeah, it is. Be alright. SecureDownload.com. Secured. Got the name wrong there. Who doesn't want WinZip? So we'll get that from this download. Bearing in mind that most people aren't going to check where their software is coming from, especially if they're not overly sure. This could download anything, so we'll let that run. Real player. We all want real player, right? I'm pretty certain that downloads Adware. I'm going to do some more virus related videos and Adware and stuff like that. Okay, so where's the... I just want real player. Apparently that site's safe. Okay, let's get the latest version. It's security now, be alright. Run setup.exe. Finish. Install now. That can't. That's got problems because of the version of Windows. Let's install Real Player. Why not? PC checkup. Let's install that. Instant scan. Yep, I want that. Now the system's starting to lag slightly. I'm not going to do all of this. I'm not going to overthrow the software. Next. So let's install Bueno search toolbar, make Bueno search my default search engine and default homepage and new tab. So we'll install all of those, we want that. PC Optimizer Pro, I believe that is. We'll have that. Active RIS. Yeah, we'll have that, why not? Yeah, just click everything. Installing real play. I can work while this is installing. IE helper.dll. Yeah, okay. I got Windows updates. 4 hours. Don't think this video is going to be that long. Done. Next. I want to install Google Chrome and the Google toolbar and make it my default browser. Why not? Everybody wants Chrome. Okay, so now we have. Thanks for downloading. What's happening with this? I'll forget that. Free gift. Whatever. Next. Finish. There we go. That's installed. Just close that, and that. We just want the CNET converters for Windows. Okay, I think I'm going to let Real Player install, and because we've got $14 different pieces of adware on here. PC Tech Hotline, what's that? Minimize. Let's run that. Move that out of the way. Cannot create. Do I want the? Yeah, of course I want it on the taskbar. Why wouldn't I? Call that number for Microsoft trained technicians. Really? Now the toolbar's there. I'm not going to be doing that one. I do not want to launch Chrome. Don't like Google Chrome. Let's check out PC Optimizer Pro, or just known as Optimizer Pro, because I believe this is one that a lot of people are getting caught out by and don't know how to get rid of, or just don't know what it is. My computer is not backed up apparently. That's fine. Why would I want to back up a load of malware? Sorry, adware. That's still installing. Oh, PC Utilities Pro, Optimizer Pro. Start scan. So wow, it's finding a hell of a load of problems here. I wish I could show you more, but the resolution's a bit off. 666 registry items it's found that are bad. Oh dear, this isn't good. Let's cancel the scan. Yeah, I need to sort out these. Wow, I need to sort out all these problems. Fix. I do not want to register. Oh my god, my computer's broken. It's only giving me the option to register. Licensing key. Oh, keypad. 69, 69, 69, 69. 4 sets of right, okay. So let's do 69, 69, 69, 69, 69, 69, 69, 68. Okay, that's not going to work. So it's not, is it going to let me close it? No, because I've pushed the wrong button. There we go. Registry entries found 671. Oh, my computer's fucked by the sound of this. Real players connecting to something. No, thank you. Alright, let's close that. Let's close that. Really? I don't want my computer fixed. Google Chrome is unresponsive. No. PC Optimizer Pro. PC Tech Hotline. Oh my god. Right. Name. Wow, that went through. I'm going to pay through credit card. I mean, why the hell not? Why wouldn't you? Code holder's name. Whoa! It's doing another scan. Alright, we'll leave that in the background. Code holder's name. Smith. Card number. Don't even think that's a real postcode. Process my order. I want that. I really want that. What's wrong with my card number? Oh, forget that. We don't need that. It's still 1,407 items are slowing down your. Oh my god. Close that. PC Tech Hotline still there. What else could we download? Now let's go and get Malwarebytes. Because, you know, why the hell not? Download the free version. Okay, let's install Malwarebytes. It knows it wants to install. At least nothing's stopping it. I accept. Yeah, go for it. Install. I don't want the free trial, but leave the other boxes ticked. Now if your computer was at this state and you didn't realise it, your computer's fucked unless you do this. PC Tech Hotline. Oh my god, right. Let's scan it. Now the reason you would get infected with stuff like this was if you didn't know what you were downloading had all these things. I mean, guys, shot up to 4 already. At the end of the day, if you just click straight through all of the options, you don't read, like you don't go for the custom, you just go for the install everything straight away. There are going to be hidden stuff, especially if the program's free, because they're not going to give it away for free unless they've got some sort of advertising, and these companies are paying for this software to be put on your computer and to put into their downloads. Alright, so we'll let that scan. Now this PC Tech Hotline thing seems to come up on every window. I wonder if it comes up in the Explorer windows. Shared file. Oh, shred file. Wow. Let's shred that file. Oh, forget that. There's 23 objects found. I mean, why wouldn't you want all that? I mean, look at all this. Why wouldn't you want all that? Let's play some solitaire. Up to 30. I'm going to have problems playing it by the look of it because there's no graphics drivers. It's only in VirtualBox. PCRX System Optimizer. Okay. It's too choppy. Yeah, why not? Wonder what that wants to do. It's going to keep asking me. To contact them. 100. Wow. 173 objects detected. Show results. Some registry keys. Wow. Alright, let's remove them all and see what happens. Does this put the computer back to its original state after reboot? And this crashed my website. There we go. Registry keys detected 37. Registry values detected, registry data 3 and 1. Folders detected 30. Files detected 102. End. You must restart your computer. It's urgent according to that. So yes, why not? Why wouldn't you? So in theory this should have got rid of all of this, I'd have thought, by the time it's rebooted. I'll let it do this way because I can't get into the menu. This machine's really struggling, so it's going to have to boot up every single one of those if it's still there. Logging off. Still shedding. There we go. VirtualBox. Press any key. No. Starting Windows. Oddly, the Windows reset. There we go. So I don't know how much of that starting Windows bit you caught. Just the cursor. Please wait. Preparing to configure Windows. It's trying to install all those updates. If it's going to take too long, I will pause the video. %. Welcome. I wanted to do this just to see how easy it is if you're not paying attention. After watching the video done by Rogamp called Optimizer Pro and Other Adware, and I just wanted to give it a try to see what it was like, how easy it is. Oh, all the stuff's. Let's stop that. Yeah, I want to quit. Oh my god. Okay. So obviously all Malwarebytes has done has got rid of the registry files and stuff like that, so you have to manually uninstall all this yourself, which I'm not. There's the Windows logo, which I'm not gonna do. But this just shows you how easy it is to get infected with this sort of stuff. And I will be trying various rogue antiviruses and stuff like that, because I think it's interesting on how a lot of them work. So thank you very much for watching this, and I will see you in the next one.